In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Monday.com account. Backing up your account is essential if you want to protect your workspaces, boards, files, and team communication from accidental changes, deletions, or even account issues. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the built-in manual export option inside Monday.com. This method is designed for one-off, full backups and is available only to account admins, so make sure you're logged in with an admin profile before you start. First, look at the bottom left corner of your Monday.com interface. You'll see your profile picture or initials. Click on that, and from the menu that appears, choose Administration. This will open up the main admin settings area for your entire account. On the left-hand side of the administration screen, you'll see a vertical menu with different sections. Find and select the Account tab. This is where Monday.com keeps global settings related to your subscription, security, and in this case, data export. Once you're in the Account section, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Take your time here, because the export option is easy to miss if you scroll too quickly. Near the bottom, you'll see a section labeled Export Account Data. This is the feature that lets you pull a full backup of your entire Monday.com account. In that Export Account Data section, click the Export button. You won't see an immediate download pop up, and that's normal. Instead, Monday.com prepares your data in the background. This export includes all of your boards, including private and shareable ones, along with attached files and team updates, so it can take a bit of time depending on how large your account is. After you click Export, keep an eye on the inbox associated with your admin email. Within 24 hours, you'll receive an email from Monday.com with a secure link to download a .zip file. That .zip file is your backup bundle. When it arrives, download it and store it somewhere safe, such as an encrypted external drive or a secure cloud storage folder managed by your organization. One important limitation to remember: you can only perform this full account export once every 24 hours. So if you're planning regular backups, schedule them accordingly, and avoid repeatedly clicking the export button expecting multiple files at once. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have a complete snapshot of your Monday.com data that you can keep as a safety net in case anything goes wrong inside your live account.